Amazon Kinesis Data Analytics allows you to transform and analyze streaming data in real time with Apache Flink. Hi guys, this is Abi from GokceDB, and in this video, you're going to learn 6 things about Kinesis Data Analytics in AWS. Let's get into it. Number 1, Apache Flink is an open source framework and engine for processing data streams. Kinesis Data Analytics reduces the complexity of integrating Apache Flink applications with other AWS services. Number 2, Kinesis Data Analytics offers flexible APIs in Java, Scala, Python, and SQL, specialized for different use cases, including stateful event processing and real-time analytics. Number 3, you can integrate a data source or destination with minimal code. Kinesis Data Analytics libraries integrate with AWS services such as S3, DynamoDB, CloudWatch, and more. Number 4, in addition to the AWS integrations, the Kinesis Data Analytics libraries include more than 10 Apache Flink connectors and the ability to build custom integrations. Number 5, you can process data with sub-second latencies from data sources such as Amazon Kinesis data streams and Amazon MSK, and respond to events in real time. Last but not the least, number 6, Kinesis Data Analytics is a fully managed service, and you only pay for the resources your streaming applications consume. In summary, Amazon Kinesis Data Analytics allows you to run your Apache Flink applications continuously and scale automatically with zero setup costs and without managing any servers. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.